For the second one, find the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 and minus 1 over 3. Don't forget, we have solved this question and we obtained the quadratic equation. We are using a general rule, a general approach that will help us later in this topic, and that is using x squared minus sum of roots plus product of roots. And we use alpha and beta to represent the roots. We use alpha, beta for the roots. So we'll be having here alpha plus beta for sum and alpha, beta for product. Let's go. For this question, the first root alpha is 1 and beta, the second root, is minus 1 over 3. Such that all I need are sum of the roots. If I find sum of the roots here, that means I'll be adding these two. The sum of 1 and minus 1 over 3, you can do that. I'm sure you will have 2 over 3. And the product, alpha, beta, if I multiply this and this, I'll be having minus 1 over 3. Only two things are needed: sum and product of the roots. Once I know the sum of the roots and I know the product of the roots, then I can obtain the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation should be in y, and that means I'll be having y squared minus sum of the roots in x plus products of the roots. Sum of the roots this time in y, because it should be in y, plus product of the roots equal to 0. Let's proceed. Here we'll be having y squared minus, that is this minus sign, is this minus sign. The sum of the roots gave us 2 over 3, and there is y there. Here we have plus, the product of the roots gave us minus 1 over 3 equal to 0. I want to do this so that if we break down, we'll have y squared minus 2 over 3y plus minus will give us this one equal to 0. Getting this is not simplified yet. This equation is not in the simplest form. So we can remove these denominators here. You notice I have denominator 3 here, denominator 3 here. We clear fraction. How? We multiply each term by the LCM of the denominators. That means I will multiply each term by 3. That is the LCM of 3 and 3, just to clear fraction. Multiply this one by 3, you will have 3y squared. Multiply this one by 3. By the time you multiply this term by 3, you will be having minus 2y over 3 times 3. This handles this. I will have minus 2y. Multiply this term by 3. The same approach, you will have minus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 and minus 1 over 3. All we needed were two things: sum of the roots and product of the roots. Whenever you are given a quadratic equation and you are asked to find the roots, it means you have to solve the quadratic equation. Use any method you want. Sometimes they will give you the roots and ask you to obtain the quadratic equation. That is what we have done up to this point.